Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome you all. I am Ghulam Mustafa and viewers in this video I'm going to share with you my views regarding the reasons why should we have double masters in this contemporary world uh, where knowledge is the key. So students, here is the 7 reasons why studying a double master's degree, which is a fantastic idea. As the world of business becomes more globalized, the need for young talent with extensive specialized skills and extreme high knowledge, which means an increasing amount of leading universities and business schools are having to develop innovative master's program to meet such demands, including the new contemporary double master degree, which is offered by the various schools of business schools, law schools, and a lot of other training programs which will boost your skill. It is never too early to start thinking about the next step after graduation. Some of you may already be with the idea of pursuing further higher education options, or it may not have been crossed your mind until now. MBAs, LLMs, and other postgraduate ideas and other specialized business masters degree programs can be worthwhile investment for yourself, your career, and your future, as long as it is something you are genuinely considering integrate. You should be read on to discover 7 reasons why a double master degree may be an ideal path to explore. Number one reason, which is good way to overlap your areas of interest. Narrowing down your interest to just one master degree isn't easy, especially as it can be difficult knowing which one is right for you. Fortunately, a double master's degree allows you to satisfy your intellectual curiosity for more than just one field of interest. The Master of Business Administration is the watermark of business education worldwide, strengthening your general management acumen as well as your communication and leadership skills. While a specialized business master degree aims to meet the market demands of a specific business field gain, although you are both very different degree, they complement each other other uh, well manner. Next reason, you will gain a better insight into different industries. A double master degree can offer a much more comprehensive outlook into the world of business. Even though you may have only studied business or management of finance at undergraduate level, a double master degrees bring everything together, so you are able to understand how the various elements of business management and finance link and collaborate with each other. Number three, it can enhance your career opportunities and earning potential. So these are the perhaps two of the most obvious reasons why so many contemplate the idea of the pursuing a postgraduate degree. With the current graduate job market as a competitive as it is, a double master qualification can be the springboard board you need to help boost your chances of landing a more senior and managerial job role much earlier on in your career. But don't forget, knowledge and experience go hand in hand. The power of work experience is highly valued by employer as well. For example, the 2-year double master of science and global master of business administration program launching a business school this coming years requires students to take up a summer internship or consultancy project during their studies. This is so students can put theory into practice in order to gain valuable insights into the world of work, as well as build and maintain professional network connections, which lead us, which leads us nicely onto our next reasons. Number four, widen your network connections. Firstly, it is important you understand the value of networking and not just the practice of it. You need to network like you really mean it. The business landscape is evolving at a rapid pace, and so it is important you are able to build and maintain valuable contacts. It is not just about introducing yourself to a course colleagues as you wait for the lecture to begin, but about engaging in conversation, asking questions, and being generous with your answers. The world of education is a bustling hub full of people from all walk of life and is one of the easiest place where professionals networking connection can be made. You never know who you may meet, so use it to your knowledge. Number five, you can tailor your education to fit your career goals. It is good to consider your motivations for pursuing postgraduate study. The career you have in mind may require further study, especially when it comes to business, finance, and management. This is why many master programs allow you to customize your academic curriculum to help plan a career path that is right for you. Even goes as far as allowing you to choose between which field of expertise to study and not just certain electives. After completing the MBA in the first year, you will have the choice to study either an Master of Science in Business Management or Master of Science in Financial Economics in your second year. Number six, it showcases a strong work ethos for your own sense of personal achievement and for prospective employers. If anything else, studying a postgraduate degree demonstrates your desires, commitment, and motivation to learn, which takes us on to our final reason. Number seven, which is the last reason you can make yourself a more desirable hire. Employers are drawn to candidates who show a desire to want to learn more. And as previously mentioned earlier, we have discussed being able to demonstrate a solid work ethic is more than just a desirable trait. It is crucial when it comes to proving your commitment and enthusiasm to anything you do in a professional setting. Postgraduate study demonstrates your hunger of success and is a good way help your curriculum vitae CV stand out and get yourself noticed among the fiercely overcrowded graduate pool. I hope this video helps you to understand how to boost your career. Thank you very much, viewers. Keep in touch. See you next. See you, inshallah. See you in the next video with the sharing of ideas, career building. So keep watching, keep touching, keep touch with my channel. That is the Learner Insights.